How's it going? Today, I'm going to show you guys how you can add Calendly to your Wix website, and it is actually very easy. First thing, head over to Google and you want to search for Calendly Wix connector. And then what you want to do is you see this website by Wix.com and they have this Calendly connector booking. You want to tap on this one and make sure it is the authentic. As you can see, this is the Calendly connector booking by Innotech, and there are 27 reviews. You can go ahead and read them, but you just need to go ahead and just click on add to site and it will be automatically added. Now, this doesn't work all the time, so you need to search for some other apps to see which one works best for you, because there are some that keep glitching from time to time. And if you can pay, then you can see this Calendly scheduling embed, which is a paid one. But I'd say do your research and see if this one is the right one. If you find good review about it, because this is the website that has created that, and they say they have good reviews. And all of the Wix websites, as you can see, they have multiple sources or multiple connection when it comes to Wix, so you can go ahead and try this. But these are the ways. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.